Welcome to Just Drive. I'm Ahmed. Just Drive is the only Pakistani car show that gives you a realistic and a very thorough picture of the Pakistani automobile industry. The monster that's with me today is none other than the Toyota Mark X. Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm standing with the Toyota Mark X. लोगों का एक misconception है, वो ये है कि people think that the Toyota Mark X and the Mark II are simultaneously in production. This is not the case. The Mark X started Mark II started somewhere in 1968 और उस वक्त से लेके 2004 तक Mark II ही आ रही थी. The models kept changing obviously, but the car was named Mark II. This is a predecessor of the Mark II. This came in 2004. The first model was made in 2004. This model that is standing with me is also a 2004 model. Let me tell you something about the engine. This car comes in two basic forms, that is a 2.5 litre engine and a 3 litre engine, यानी कि 2500 cc और 3000 cc. Basic changes कुछ नहीं है. Both of them, the 2500 cc यानी कि 2.5 litre engine and the 3 litre engine, both are V6. Differences come in the horsepower. The 2.5 is 215 brake horsepower and the 3 litre engine is about 253 brake horsepower. इसमें एक और मॉडल भी आता है, मतलब एक और वर्जन आता है, which is the supercharged version, which is not present in Pakistan. I don't think anybody has it. अगर किसी के पास है तो हमारे शो पे ला सकते हैं. That is about 315 brake horsepower. Like I mentioned, engine changes कुछ नहीं है. Both of them are V6. Only the liter, obviously 2.5 and 3 litre engine. इसका जो engine block है, it's made of aluminium, which gives obviously the car strength, because engine, क्योंकि कुछ गाड़ियों की जो बहुत powerful होती हैं, जिनके engine blocks weak होते हैं, they're not very successful in running. Now let's speak to the owner and see what he has to say about his car. The owner is none other than हमारे एक बड़े known personality हैं शो की, मोहम्मद अशरफ, जो कि रैलीज में आते रहते हैं. उनके बेटे हैं अमार. how are you?
Fine, thank you.
अच्छा अमार, when you were buying a car for this amount of money, X amount of money, why did you choose the Mark X?
Because at the time it was a good car to buy, and सब market में मतलब ज़्यादातर लड़के वगैरह खरीद रहे थे, so that's why I thought I'd get one.
नहीं, but then again, you know, इसी पैसों में तुम्हें Accord भी मिल जाती, कैमरे भी मिल जाती, Corolla भी मिल जाती, Civic भी मिल जाती, तुम्हें काफ़ी सारी गाड़ियाँ मिल सकती नहीं. So what made you actually choose this car over the rest of them?
वो भाई हर बंदे की preference से बात होती है, and I prefer this car over the rest. I thought it was better looking and better handling and better performance.
Yeah, that's what I was getting to. You liked the performance or the looks, or what was it?
It was the looks and the performance basically, and plus it's a four-door car, so.
Yeah. So that's what you like. You think और जो market में गाड़ियाँ हैं वो they don't give the same looks or the engine performance?
Yeah, the performance is definitely better than the Accord or the Civic.
Okay, I've already explained to people what this car is all about. हमारे पास पहले भी Mark X आ चुकी है. What is different about your car? What is there that other Mark X जो?
Well, basically there's a Vortex body kit that's been put on the car, and there's 18-inch rims with BBS.
Okay.
And Bridgestone tires.
Okay.
And the interior is a bit changed in the audio system.
Okay.
So that's about it basically.
What have you changed in the audio system?
The audio system is basically the panels that's been changed. It's it reads the CDs and saves them, and plus it has different settings and stuff.
Why did you put in 18-inch rims, considering ये Pakistan के road हैं? You know how these roads are. They're not meant for. Do you think it makes a difference when you drive?
It makes a difference when you drive. It gives a bit of a rougher ride, but then again it looks better. So
you've done it for the looks.
We've done it for the looks.
अच्छा तो ये Vortex की
Vortex की body kit.
क्या front, sides and back?
Well, there's a grill and side skirts and rear bumper.
Okay. Okay, so talking about the exterior of the car, I personally feel that before the engine comes and before the suspension comes, I feel this car certainly stands out for its look. जो इस गाड़ी का look है, यानी कि Mark II की ये predecessor है, तो it looks nothing like the Mark II. Even if you had seen the latest Mark II, it's a complete different looking car. Trends have been changing, cars have been going towards being more aerodynamic and giving a bullet type shape. This car has a very huge bonnet, which I love. It has a very round, very aerodynamic shape. ऑल टुगेदर। पुरानी मार्क टूज अगर आप देखें तो बड़ी बॉक्सी सी थी वो, यू नो लाइक अ बॉक्सी सेडान जिस तरह होती है। दिस कार हैज़ अ वेरी स्पोर्टी लुक टू इट। पीपल हेयर जो अंकल्स यहाँ पे हैं वो ये सोचते हैं कि ये हमारे बेटे की गाड़ी है, हम नहीं चला सकते, अजीब से लगेंगे, बट एक्चुअली ये है मार्क टू का ही प्रीडिसेसर है। और changes तो obviously किए हैं, like the new cars, all the new cars, Corollas, Cities, Civics, everything is changing. So Toyota changed this. I love the headlights. They're absolutely amazing. They've given in curvy headlights आगे की दी हुई हैं, projection lights लगी हुई हैं इसमें, original by the way, no changes made. I think the front is a little different than the original Mark X लगता है, वो why is because I think some body kit इसमें लगी हुई है.